how much term insurance do I need? How do we answer that?
Take care of your immediate liabilities, if any. Suppose if you have borrowings on you, that needs to be covered, right? That's one. Over and above that, term plan is an income replacement product. So you will work till age 60, so you're going to basically generate income over those number of years, right? And that is what is covering. So suppose if something happens at age 40, for the balance 20 years, there is the income stream is stopped, right? That needs a replacement. Now, that's where term plan comes in. So the most simplest way, broadly we say 10 times, 20 times. But the way I define it is your working age, say 60. 60 minus your current age, right? That's the multiple. So suppose if you're 30, 30 times of your current income, very broadly put in.
30 times your current income.
It's basically
it just covers you till 60 years of retirement.
So whatever your balance working years, that's your multiple.
Sarbvir, let me ask you, is that a rough formula that you would go by as well? And then maybe some examples. I mean, someone who is 30 to 35, typically, what's the quantum we're talking about? How many crores of this sum assured are we talking about, and how much will it cost?
Yeah, so I think, Sarbvir, I completely agree with Satishwar that, one can complicate this subject very much. There's jargon like human life value calculator, etc. But I think more than that, I would say two things. One is, like he said, go with a multiple. I have an even simpler rule of thumb that if you are below 40 years, then you should have at least 15 to 20 times your income. And if you are above 40, then maybe it should be 10 to 15 times. You can even start with 1 crore, 1.5 crores, 2 crores of term insurance. Very relatively easy to get. There's not much problem. If you're 30 years old, if you want to get 1 crore, the cost will be in the range of 1,200 to 1,500 rupees a month. So very, very affordable premium as well.